This is a program for the PIC 16F887 that is a gym timer that works for the EasyPic 5 or 6, doesn't really matter, development board. Yeah, so this is the start. So as you can see, these first declarations are just assigning bits. These are for the LCD display. And then below we got all the functions, and all the functions are commented so that you understand what they all do. You have a function that makes the buzzer sound if you have a buzzer connected. There's a function that does the counting down for the gym timer. There's a function that reads button pushes by the user, and port C is the port that takes in those inputs. The keypad uses read port C for taking in values. The interrupt used to display things on the 7-segment displays, and the main function ties it all together. And all those are expandable so that you can see inside, and nearly all the statements are commented so that you'll know what's actually happening. Now here is a project manager, and there's a thing here that's quite important. When you download the files, you have to make sure that both of these files are included as source files, and as well there's a header file that you need to get, and if this header file isn't included, then it won't compile properly, as you'll see here. Yeah, as you can see here now, there's an error in preprocessor because it can't find the right header file. So you go back to your project manager, right click on header files, go down to add file to project, and that file should be in the project folder, displayutils.h, and you'll see that's included there now. And you build it again, blah 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 blah, yeah, and it gets it done. So yeah, that's basically it. If you're going to post this somewhere else, just make sure that you give me the credit because I wrote this program. And as you may well know, this is all the configurations in this program are for the EasyPic development boards, and this one was particularly compiled for the 16F887 PIC chip. So if you want to compile it to something else, then there's an option in the program that will compile it correctly for your version of chip. And also, if you're using a chip that has more or less pins or different pin configurations, you will want to edit the program so that, you know, your pins would be associated to the outputs that you want, and so on and so forth. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, have fun.